In this video, I show how to get a PDF document with coding stripes using NVivo 12 for Windows. When I teach NVivo, I'm often asked, are there options of getting my coding out of NVivo, which I think is a really good question because we need to think about how we can share our work with supervisors, with colleagues, or with co-coders who might not necessarily work with NVivo. Some people are also interested in that because they want to put coded transcripts or coded transcripts as an appendix to their thesis. And people are often familiar with this option of exporting a document. So you right-click in the document and then you select export. But what you then get is what you can see here on the right is a Word document with the coding highlighted in yellow. So you can see where you coded, but you cannot see how you coded the content. And by chance, I found out that there is actually a way of getting a PDF document with the coding stripes, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you need to do is to make all the coding and coding stripes visible that you want to show in the PDF document. After you've done that, you right-click in the document and select Print. Then we get to the print options, and there you can already see that it mentions coding stripes. As you can see here, it gives you different options. I just went for print on the same page. After I clicked OK, I get here and I can obviously print the document with a printer, but what I'm interested in here is to print it to a PDF, and after selecting that option, I click Print. And then I just need to name the document and decide where I want to save it and click Save. And this is how the PDF document then looks like. I have two more hints. The first one is if you only select some items for coding stripes and you then print, only those stripes will appear in the PDF document. And the same actually goes for the highlighting. So this is really useful, for example, when you work with cases, because if you then select all coding, well, a lot of coding might be visible and it might not be so easy to interpret what is actually going on, especially for people who might not work with NVivo. And secondly, there is the option to print your coding stripes on adjacent pages, and I think this is quite interesting when you want to compare your coding rather quickly, and if you don't want to do it, for example, via NVivo's coding comparison feature, which is found in the Explore tab. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you found this useful and check out my YouTube channel for more tricks. I also have tutorials on getting started with NVivo 12.